Hi, I'm Mrs. Hanfman. Welcome to my classroom. I teach 6th grade advanced ELA and I teach 7th grade regular and advanced ELA. I believe that all students can learn, and I believe that all students deserve a chance. I try really hard to foster an environment where all students feel comfortable and welcome and are able to take risks and feel okay about making mistakes, because I feel like that's how you learn the best. I try to keep things very positive. I try to give a lot of feedback. I expect students to follow the school guidelines regarding dress code and cell phones and all of the important school rules that we're really doubling down on this year. In my classroom, I just really try to keep it very respectful and positive. We raise hands if we need to speak. We raise hands to get out of our chairs. What else do we do? My other two big rules are be safe and be kind. And I find that pretty much covers everything. My grading policies, I do not believe in giving zeros. Most of my assignments are graded on a 10-point scale. The lowest grade that any of my students would ever receive for missing work or incomplete work is a 5 out of 10. I feel that this gives them a much better chance to come back if they find themselves in a hole for whatever reason. The last couple of years have been really tough, and we've had a lot of kids who are absent, a lot of kids moving around. And then there's just the stress of the pandemic and the stress of being a middle schooler. Middle school is hard enough all by itself without going through a pandemic. So I really believe in giving students second chances, really working hard to give them the opportunity to succeed. I try to go above and beyond to assist students when they need help. I accept late work for full credit, so up until the end of the quarter. Deadlines are important, so I do hold students accountable by putting those grades in the grade book. If I don't receive an assignment, then I'm going to put it in. It will lower their grade, but they have the opportunity to turn it in. And I tell my students that they get the grade that they want. If they want to redo an assignment 4 or 5 times until they are happy with their grade, I absolutely encourage that, because especially when we're dealing with writing, revision is the very best way to improve writing skills. I think that's about it. I also run the yearbook club, and I run the GSA. If your students are interested in those two clubs, they can sign up for ELP. If you have any questions or concerns ever, please contact me. My email is listed on the website. It is Hanfmana, Hanf as in Frank, MANA @pcsb.org. I would love to hear from you if you have any concerns or questions. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day.